Good morning, welcome to
MathForKids number 166.
MathForKids number 166. Today we're going to talk about
multiplying fractions.
Multiplying fractions. And that's just kind of one of the funny things about fractions. Multiplying fractions is a lot easier than adding them.
Sure.
Because what do? 3 halves times 5 ninths. When
Just multiply top and multiply bottom.
Just multiply the top, multiply the bottom, and then see if at some point you need to check if there's anything to simplify, but
nothing here.
Okay.
Alright. It's 15. 18. 3 times 5 is 15. Well, you can flip this and it'll simplify. But
so can this be simplified?
yes.
Yes. In fact, so when you said there was nothing here to simplify, it turned out there was, but go ahead, simplify 15 over 18.
You just factor out 3.
Okay.
3 times 5 over.
Okay, so it's 5/6. Okay, so we get multiply the top, multiply the bottom, we get 15 over 18, which is, we can simplify to be 5/6, but we can simplify first. There's a nice little trick you can do with multiplying fractions. What is it?
You can flip the tops and bottoms around.
Okay, why?
Because multiplication is commutative.
Because multiplication is commutative. Instead of saying 3 times 5 over 2 times 9, I can say this is the same as 5 times 3 over 2 times 9. And 3 ninths actually simplifies to be what?
1/3.
1/3. So this is, back up a little for me, please. 5 halves times 1/3, which is a lot easier, which is 5/6. So this turned out, I didn't intend it to be this way, it just turned out to be this way. This is a good example because is it easier to simplify first or last?
First.
Why?
Because the numbers are bigger last.
Right, if you don't simplify first, you get big numbers and you have to figure out how to simplify big numbers. Here, we're simplifying 3 ninths, which is really easy because 3 ninths is just
1/3.
Right. So I get 5 halves times 1/3. All right, so let's do another one. You ready?
Yep.
Here we go. How about 2/7 times 49/3? Whoa!
Well,
Back up.
you can flip the 7 and 3 around.
Okay.
Which means that we get 2/3 times 49/7.
Okay, so we can flip around because multiplication is commutative. So I can say that 2 times 49 and 7 times 3 is the same as 2 times 49 over 3 times 7. And why does doing it this way make our life so much easier?
Because 49/7 is 7.
49/7 is just 7.
So this is 2/3 times 7.
And what's that?
Just 14/3.
Okay, 14/3. So this crazy multiplication that looks like it's going to be, oh my gosh, I don't know how to multiply 49 times, blah, 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 blah. But you just get 14/3. Okay. You ready for more?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. 7/13 times 4/8.
Well, 4/8 we can simplify to be 1/2.
Whoa, okay.
So 7/13 times 1/2 is a lot easier.
That's a lot easier.
Because it's just 7/26.
And how do you know 7/26 doesn't simplify?
Well, because 7 doesn't go into 13 or 2.
Okay, because why?
Because 7 is prime.
Well,
Oh,
because
13 is
13 and 2 are prime. 7 is also prime, but... All right, one last one. All right, you make it up. Give me 2 numbers.
How about 3/12?
3/12 times... Sorry, give me 2 other numbers while I'm figuring out how to write the number
2 more
12.
numbers?
Yeah, 3/12 times...
How about 15 over 21?
Whoa! 3/12 times 15 over 21? Oh no! This is impossible.
Well, what we can do is 3/12 simplifies to be 1/4.
Okay.
Times 15/21 simplifies to be 5 because 2 times 5 and is 7ths.
All right.
Which is 5/28.
5/28. Okay. Whoa, so that one was a double simplify. Okay, so multiplying fractions is actually pretty easy, right? You just multiply the top, multiply the bottom. But the way you make your life even easier than easy is look to simplify first. Because otherwise, if you didn't simplify first here, you'd have 3 times 15, which is
45.
45 over 12 times 21, which is
A really big number.
what is it? 12 times 21 is?
It's 240, but it's 252. Ag.
252? You sure about that?
Well, this is 240 and it's 12.
Okay, good. Now, it's not obvious at all that 45 over 252 is 5 over 28. Now, why are those two things the same? Well, those two things are the same because obviously 9 times 28 is 252. Right? Do you have your 9s memorized all the way up to 9 times 28?
No.
No. So you can see from this example that simplifying first makes your life much easier. Much easier. Okay. Good job today, honey. What fun thing do you have to do now? What is it?
Fun.
Nothing fun? Why not?
Because it isn't.
It isn't fun?
Yeah.
All right, nothing's fun. What are you doing?
Going to the dentist.
Going to the dentist. Blah.